Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. We will discuss about what happened in the Supreme Court today. So nothing happened today. The hearing couldn't be done, which was scheduled to happen on the 4th of October. Actually, it was scheduled to happen in the courtroom number 1 in the presence of Chief Justice of India, D.Y. Chandrachud. But he was on the leave today. Okay, so no hearing happened in the courtroom number 1. Okay, and neither it got listed or transferred to other courtroom, and we have just 2 days before the Dashahra vacation starts from 7th to 12th, okay, in Supreme Court, and tomorrow is Saturday and then Sunday. So hopefully in next 2 days also, mostly it doesn't look like they will take it on urgent basis to hear in other courtroom, and if it doesn't get heard in the other courtroom, there won't be any decision from the Supreme Court side until 13th. Okay, so maybe after 12th they will give some date, and then only the Supreme Court will look upon this issue about NEET PG result and examination issues. Okay, meanwhile there is no direction from the Supreme Court that the counseling will be on hold, but there is a one indication in the last hearing. NB side petitioner, NB side advocate said that we are supposed to start the counseling by today evening 5 p.m. Then CGI replied that without their presence we can't. Okay, we need their presence. Even Supreme Court didn't say that we can't proceed with the counseling. There was no indication, but the CGI said the presence of the representative from Government of India or Union of India is required, since they were not present in the last hearing or since the first hearing. Okay, so no proper argument could happen or no decision came from the court hearing. So now the point here is there is no direction from the Supreme Court that the counseling should not start. Even the registration is part of counseling. So if the registration is going on, it means counseling is also going on. Okay, theoretically counseling going on. So MCC has started the registration, and it started the registration on 20th. Okay, since then around 14 days, more than around 2 weeks already passed, and there is no schedule, no brochure, no seat matrix. So why the counseling is on hold? The schedule is on hold, brochure, seat matrix is on hold. The registration is going on for the states, and mostly the states except 4 major states, Haryana, Bihar, West Bengal and Telangana, they are about to close also. 2 states like MP and Rajasthan have not given their last date. Okay, and most of the states have changed this year the pattern, and they are allowing the candidate to do the registration one time only, and the schedule is not out for the all India. So definitely the something is not happening in very proper manner. But after all of these things, okay, when we can expect the counseling to start, to begin with the schedule, proper brochure and the seat matrix? Is anything pending from the MCC side, NMC side, or is due to the court case? If you ask me, it looks like court case is a big matter, because in this court case till now, who are the culprits? Because Supreme Court directly said that how you can change the pattern just 3 days before the examination pattern, how you can change that? Okay, it's kind of meltdown on the student. Okay, so the culprit is from Government of India, that is NB body. So might be they are not taking the further step, just proceeding with the necessary thing, that is registration, the kind of like which doesn't have any final last date also. Okay, and states are also proceeding with the registration process. So there might be 2 reasons: either they don't have the readiness from their side with the seat matrix, with the rules, or they are waiting the go ahead from the Supreme Court. If you ask me, with the conversations from the previous court hearing, it looks like they are waiting for the go ahead signal from the Supreme Court, because NB side advocate pleaded that we are supposed to start the counseling by evening today. CJI said that their presence is required. Okay, so it looks like counseling may not start soon, and we need another we need to wait another 10 days or 7 to 10 days. After the vacation of Supreme Court, the festival season gets over, then only the hearing will happen, and maybe with the direction of the Supreme Court, the counseling will begin, or they will give some direction to go ahead. So it looks like this counseling is very stagnant till then, but nobody knows, because the activities and the steps taken by NMC and MCC is very unpredictable. The way they are doing this year is very unpredictable. So maybe tomorrow also they can release the schedule, because there is no direction from Supreme Court that they can't proceed with the counseling. Okay, so right now there is no clarity. Okay, we can just do interpretation, but the crux here is the counseling is still on hold. The court case hearing will get delayed further, and it looks like the stakeholders, including Supreme Court, is not taking this matter on very high priority, because they might be having other priorities on higher side. Okay, but you have to what you can do in this time duration you got, you can look upon your desired options. You can take the review of the colleges, you can plan, and you can talk to us also in order to get our help, our experience in figuring out the way you should approach with the counseling process. Because one thing is very important, one time registration is a big setback. You might be able to realize when you don't get the seat in the first round, and if you try to do registration which is not possible after first round, then you will realize that you have done a mistake. So make sure that you do proper analysis where you need to register and do the registration before the last date. Today Andhra Pradesh will close the registration. Karnataka registration is going on. Okay, tomorrow it will be closed. Kerala registration will be up to 7th. For MP and Rajasthan there is no last date. MP has declared that this is the one time registration for them also. So MP, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, then UP, Pondicherry, these states, and even when Bihar will open, they also gives the chance for registration one time only. So it's very critical. Okay, so until the counseling starts, you can utilize this time by looking at the review of the colleges, getting the department level review, and we can help you with all those process. In case you are looking for the previous year joins candidates, last year and last to last year 23 and 22, we can provide you the contact number of the GRs. You can get the ground reality of the department in the college. After talking to them, they can give you very good review over the department over there. So that's all from my side. You can also take paid counseling guidance from our side. Okay, if that helps you out. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.